Logo LG makes it easy. LG over-the-range microwave oven. Cleaning your microwave.
For maximum performance,
Modern kitchen displayed furnished with LG appliances.
it is recommended that you clean your LG over-the-range microwave on a weekly basis. In this video, we will show you how to properly clean and care for your microwave.
Microwave displayed with door open while view is zoomed into the inside.
Start by removing the turntable and support ring before cleaning the interior surface of your microwave. Wash the interior surface often with warm, sudsy water and a sponge or soft cloth. Use only mild, non-abrasive soaps or a mild detergent. Be sure to keep the areas clean where the door and oven frame touch when closed. Wash the turntable and turntable support in mild, sudsy water. The turntable and turntable support are also dishwasher safe. Place the turntable support and the turntable back into the microwave once they are clean and dry. For stubborn soils, boil a cup of water in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. The steam will soften the soils.
A lady scrub stains inside of microwave.
To get rid of odors inside the oven, boil a cup of water with some lemon juice or vinegar in it. To clean the outside of your microwave, apply spray glass cleaner to a soft cloth and wipe down the exterior of the oven and control panel. Do not spray the cleaner directly onto the oven. Thank you for watching this LG customer support video.
LG microwave displayed.
We hope you enjoy your LG experience.
Logo LG, life's good.